What's up, everybody? This is Steven with Snaketuary. I want to talk about a few little tips that I've learned over the years that I've picked up from some other people and some things that I figured out on my own. So what I want to do is I want to show everybody that's into snakes and stuff. Here's a little setup that I kind of stole from one of my friends. This is one of the new retics that we got. We put in this cage here. Now what we did was we put these boards on both sides of the cage to put this bucket on, this tub, for the water bowl. Now what this does is it allows, you got the water bowl, but you can scoot it back and forth. So if you need to get to one side of the cage or the other, and plus you got a water bowl, plus you have something for the snake to climb on top of. And number three, it creates a hide for the snake to get up under. So you got 3 in 1. 3 in 1. So that's a really cool thing that I picked up from one of our friends that I wanted to share with everybody. Here's another thing that I picked up since I have so many snakes. Everybody does everything differently, but one thing that I want to show you guys that I do, sometimes when their feeding schedules, people have little apps for it. Some people do it online. Some people write little postcards or little note cards and put it on the cage. One thing I did, I think today's the 25th, so we're about to feed that retic over there. So what I do is I get a dry erase marker and I'll just put the date, 8/25. And so what that does, that allows me to do is while I'm walking around in the snake room, I could real quickly glance at the cage and I see, oh, it was fed yesterday. Oh, it's been 2 days. Oh, it's been a week. It's time for me to feed that one again. So that's something that I can do really quickly, and it allows me to see when I need to feed the snakes again really quickly while I'm walking around doing other stuff in the snake room. And then all I do is, if a week later, a couple days later, just wipe it off and write the new date. So those are a couple little tips that I wanted to share with everybody who breeds snakes and has a lot of snakes. And something, I want to do some more of these videos. So if you guys come up with a little title that we can call these little tidbits, these little snake bite little videos. If you guys have any tips or little names that we can call these, hit me up. We'll see you guys later. This is Steven with Snaketuary.